Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Sonata door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your specific vehicle model. Preparing your workspace properly will ensure a smooth and safe repair, taking approximately 1 hour to complete. Next, you will carefully remove the interior door panel. Begin by prying off the small plastic cover behind the door handle and removing the single screw. Then, gently pry up the window switch panel to disconnect its electrical connector. Use your trim removal tool to release the panel clips around the edges, then lift the panel upwards and off, disconnecting any remaining wires. With the interior panel off, you can now access the old door handle. Locate the 2 or 3 retaining screws that secure the handle assembly to the door frame. Typically, these are 8mm bolts. Carefully disconnect the 2 linkage rods from the back of the handle by prying their plastic clips open. Once the screws and rods are free, gently pull the entire old handle assembly out from the door. Now it is time to install your new door handle. First, connect the 2 linkage rods to the back of the new handle, ensuring the clips snap securely into place. Next, position the new handle into the door frame and secure it with the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach all electrical connectors and carefully reinstall the interior door panel, testing the handle's function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.